Good morning. Good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning.
Super.
Good morning.
Now
Good
I'm on the
morning.
opposite side. I don't know what happened. मेरी फोटो वहां पर हो गई है. Good morning. Good morning. I have to go this way or this way. I don't know. But anyway, good morning to welcome to Dil Diyan Galla, Nandini ji and Nupur.
Good morning, Veena ji.
Thank you, Vinay. Thank you so much.
And also
Pleasure
good
to be with
morning.
you this morning.
I'm sorry to cover the face, but ऐसे कर रही हूँ मैं. And good morning, of course. Welcome Thursday.
Thank you.
तो पूरा हफ्ते का पता भी नहीं चलता. Comes and goes. See? And I don't want to be in front of Rishi Kapoor ji. Today is our theme. Today is our Bollywood theme. And I would like to say that actually Rishi ji, he passed away last year on April 30th, which is not that far away
Yes.
from now. It's almost a year. And still people are, like we cannot really accept it because he was so vibrant and the movies mein aa rahe hain, jolly and funny and everything. And all of a sudden he was sick for a long time. He came to New York to get the treatment. Then he went back. Still did not work out. But he was fine. He was born on 4th September. He had two other brothers and two sisters. So he was he had an older brother, Randhir, who was also in movies, and a younger brother, Rajiv, and then two sisters, Rima and Ritu. Both married, and everybody was well settled. And of course, who can forget his parents? I mean, come on, Raj Kapoor, and then grandfather Prithvi Raj Kapoor, and then his uncles, Chache jo the uske, Shammi Kapoor and Shashi Kapoor.
Shashi Kapoor.
So he came from such a all acting kind of a family. And then during the time, he actually came as a child artist. Raj Kapoor ki movie thi Mera Naam Joker. So he came in that as a child, and I think he got an award for that also. I saw that movie. He really looked very
And
cute.
before that, he was a child artist in
Yeah.
the movie with Nargis and Raj Kapoor. There is a song जिसमें वो छतरी लेके गाना गाते
प्यार
हैं.
हुआ इकरार हुआ.
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ, and he was the youngest child in that. तो
Yes.
इनको ब्राइब करके एक्टिंग के लिए बोला गया था. So
Yeah,
continue,
because
Veena ji.
kids don't like to, like, although it's from that kind of a family, तो parents चाहते हैं कि भी हम भी बने हैं actor, तो वो भी बने. This is what the parents, that's what they like, that's what they like to do. But but officially, actually, you can say he was really launched in Bobby.
Yes.
With Dimple Kapadia. They both were newcomers, and that movie was such a hit. I mean, I saw it in New York actually when it came out. I was here, and it was I think shown in a movie theater in Manhattan. And it came, and the article came about this movie came in New York Times. तो मेरे husband कहते हैं ये कौन सी movie आ रही है Bobby, because it was New York Times how they talk about Indian movies, but
Yeah.
this movie they did. So then we went to see the movie, and then it was packed, full house.
Yeah.
उसके जो गाने थे, they came out to be very, very popular. So and what about you, Nandini ji? आपको उसके बारे में क्या बोलना चाहते हो? Pinky ji, good morning. I have some people here. Good morning, Dolly.
Yes.
Good
Veena
morning,
ji.
Nalinti. Good morning, Roma ji and Rama ji. Okay.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everybody.
वीना जी, ऋषि कपूर जी के बारे में कौन नहीं जानता.
I know.
उनके खानदान के बारे में सब जानते हैं. Very prestigious, very well known in the film world. Actually, इनके जो दादाजी थे, उन्होंने ही फिल्म सिटी शुरू किया था. Right? So Rishi Kapoor was the third child of the Raj Kapoor, and he has 5 siblings. There were 5 siblings. जिनमें से unfortunately 3 of them died within 6 months of each other, within a short period of each other, I would say. और उनमें से रणधीर और इनकी छोटी sister रितु हैं अभी. And he's survived by his wife and 2 beautiful kids. One of them is married to the Nanda family. Right? And नहीं, Sani family, जो इनकी daughter है, sorry.
No,
That was the sister who was
she's married to a Sani family.
Yeah.
His sister Rima is married to Nanda.
To the Nanda family.
And Amitabh Bachchan's daughter is married to the family.
उनकी जो
समधी है. Not anymore.
So
now they're separated now, I think.
He had a very, very, very successful film career, and he had multiple affairs.
Yeah.
but of course, जितने affairs थे, शादी उन्होंने, he was sincere to Neetu Singh, and he once sent her a letter while he was on shooting somewhere out of the country, in Switzerland maybe. So he sent a letter to Neetu Singh saying, "Sikhni yaad aa rahi hai," or something like that.
Wow.
And that led to their marriage, and they starred in multiple films. And
Yeah, they came in a lot of movies
और
together.
इनका एक गाना बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ था, खुल्लम खुल्ला प्यार करेंगे हम
Yes.
दोनों,
Yes.
which
That's true.
also led him to write, when he wrote his book, he
Mhm.
named it Khullam Khulla, Rishi Kapoor.
Rishi Kapoor. And what about you, Nupur? What have you? I mean, what have you known? I know
I'm
you
just
must be
soaking
very
up the
young.
conversation.
Young up, that time was
I'll tell you
very
some.
young.
I'll tell you some interesting facts about Bobby. So, Mera Naam Joker actually tanked at the box office. It did not do really well.
Yeah, I mean,
Actually. So Raj Kapoor was in a lot of debt. So वो एक रोमांटिक मूवी बनाना तो चाहते थे, लेकिन उनके ऊपर कर्जे इतने थे कि वो किसी भी हाई पेइंग एक्टर को अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते थे. तो he said कि I'm going to make a teenage romantic movie, and उसमें I'm going to cast Rishi Kapoor. So that was a turning point for both of them, financially for Raj Kapoor, and also Rishi Kapoor got noticed and his career really took off from there. तो दोनों के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा टर्निंग पॉइंट था. एंड उसमें जो एक सीन है कि जब पहली बार ऋषि कपूर डिम्पल कपाड़िया से रूबरू होते हैं और वो हाथ में उनके आटा या बेसन क्या लगा होता है, दैट सीन वाज एक्चुअली इंस्पायर्ड बाय अ रियल लाइफ सीन दैट हैपेंड बिटवीन नरगिस एंड Raj Kapoor. So it was an actual picturization of that. So that's the trivia with.
But my Nupur and Anandri, my question is, do you think they really liked each other in that movie?
Not at that. No, Dimple Kapadia
Dimple Kapadia was already married
for Rishi. She had a
she
thing for
wasn't married
Rishi.
then. She married the Rajesh Khanna afterwards.
She really
Yeah,
did
she
have.
was married during that movie, because जो कई scenes में you can see कि उसके हाथों पे मेहंदी लगी हुई है, डिम्पल के, उस movie में.
Yeah, but she was married. She got married afterwards. का बीच में
No,
शादी हुई.
during the movie she got married, and while the shooting was still going on, she was already married to Rajesh Khanna. तो उसकी कई जो मेहंदी थी ना उसकी, तो वो कई scenes में उसके हाथों पे मेहंदी लगी हुई है. So
I just want to say something to Dolly. She said, so sad, his younger brother Rajiv also passed away soon after him last year. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
He passed away, I think recently, not too long ago.
अभी 2 महीने हुए हैं, 2 महीने.
Recently, yeah. And he's, Rishi will be 1 year on April 30th. It's going to be 1 year. So within a year, 8-9 months, like, sad. Yeah.
तो वीना जी, इनकी जो मेन रही है वो, he was too much into romantic films. जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं, he was a very lovable, very lovable character in all the films. तो इनके जो later life में movies आई हैं, I think they have left a huge impression on many of us. जैसे पटियाला हाउस, फिर इनकी मूवी आई थी कपूर एंड सन्स.
I love that. Yes. Rajma Chawal, Kapoor and Sons, Khoj, Agnipath,
1 or 2 not out. Agnipath, negative role.
Khoj, negative role.
Negative role. He did.
Yeah, he also recently he came with the movie with Amitabh Bachchan. That he behaves like a uska thoda,
yeah, 1 or 2 not out.
Something like that. Yeah, I saw that one. That was also
1 or 2
I haven't seen that one.
Well, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Yeah, that was a
What
little
is it called?
तो वीना जी, हम अपने सुनने वालों को सबसे पहले जो, क्योंकि हमने बॉबी की बात करी है, तो मैं बॉबी फिल्म से एक
प्लीज
सुनाना चाहती हूँ.
yes.
जो कि आजकल के माहौल पे भी लागू होता है. Right?
That was very movie जो थी ना, very teenagers type and very
सबको ले जाते हैं 70s में. 74, 73, 74 में ले जाते हैं.
74 movie came out in 1974. Yeah.
तो सुने, let's go everyone. बाहर से कोई अंदर ना आ सके, अंदर से कोई बाहर न जा सके, सोचो कभी ऐसा हो तो क्या हो, सोचो कभी ऐसा हो तो क्या हो, हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और चाबी खो जाए, हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और चाबी खो जाए, तेरे नैनों की भूल भुलैया में बॉबी खो जाए, हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और चाबी खो जाए। वीना जी गाने तो बहुत हैं, लेकिन हम थोड़े थोड़े गाने इनके याद करेंगे।
इनके याद हुआ, इनके गाने और इनकी एक्टिंग बड़े मजेदार होती थी, लाइक फन टाइप, यू नो,
वेरी वेरी फन टाइप।
and he had a little very appeal, I mean he had a very nice chubby type of a face, cute.
Yes.
So उसमें से ना, like when you look at him smiling, you all feel like smiling too, you know.
Yeah.
That's how he was, you know. Is that
No,
right?
इन्होंने
What do you think?
I really
Nupur,
loved
I
him
don't
in
know how many
Chandni. I
movies
think
have you seen? These were maybe in the 70s. तो आप तो तभी बहुत छोटे रहेंगे। इनकी एक मूवी आई थी with अमिताभ बच्चन, Amar Akbar Anthony, where he played. He was
That
not
was a
too keen on that role, but he
very good
still
movie.
did it.
Yeah, very good movie, and he was, of course, he liked. I mean, Akbar, उसमें I think he plays a Muslim role because the teen brothers
Yes,
होते हैं.
he plays
right,
Akbar.
right.
Yeah, he plays
Right, and
Akbar
then
opposite Neetu Singh.
Neetu Singh. तो बड़ा अच्छा
And-
गाना है वो भी, बड़ा बहुत अच्छा।
और भी कुछ movies में I think he was there in one of the movies where he plays his brother or something like that. मुझे
I don't know about that, but
Coolie?
in Kabhi Kabhi,
Kabhi Kabhi, yes, they were
a
together.
very romantic role.
Yes.
Do you remember that movie, Nupur? You were very young, I'm sure, that time.
I've seen these movies in the 90s. I was just maybe I was in diapers, I guess, when
I know, I guess.
Yeah.
movie and all came out.
He,
Um,
Good morning, ladies. Good morning,
he
everybody.
never did a movie with his father, but he came with his uncles, and he was in that movie with Shami Kapoor in Rocks. No. He was with Shami Kapoor in a movie also. इन्होंने
Yeah, I don't
सबके
remember
साथ
that.
movies करी हैं. Yes, he
Yeah.
did star in some of the movies
Yeah.
together. They have done.
And, yeah, I believe Nupur.
I feel like his on-screen chemistry and his on-screen pairing was very well received with Neetu Singh. वो लोगों का काफी उन्होंने दिल जीता और उनके
Yes.
पसंदीदा pair थे वो उस जमाने के.
Yes.
Or once he started to like Neetu Singh and he kind of became her boyfriend and they were already thinking of getting married. He was a very strict boyfriend. तो उनको strict उनको हिदायत थी कि 8:30 बजे के बाद आपको काम नहीं करना है. और फिर जब उन्होंने शादी कर ली तो ये उनके बीच में अरेंजमेंट था कि आप अपना करियर पूरी तरह क्विट करेंगी and you will not do any movies because I think Raj Kapoor was very strict
Right.
about not having his daughters-in-laws or daughters of the family be in the movies. And Neetu Singh, at a very tender age, at the peak of her career, she actually then just gave up everything and settled into a married life with
Nupur, later on the years, later on when they were...
Yes, later on, she actually came back on screen and they did some movies together.
They came back together, a lot of movies. But funny thing is that, I mean, Neetu Singh, जो है वो, she acted with Shashi Kapoor in quite a few movies.
Yeah, a lot of movies with Shashi Kapoor too.
Shashi Kapoor के साथ काफी करी movies. So it was...
Yeah.
I would be very awkward doing love scenes with my brother-in-law.
Yeah.
Uncle के साथ, उसके पति के मतलब चाचे के साथ.
Oh yeah, uncle, not brother-in-law.
How did she do that? I don't know how she did that acting, but acting is acting, right? I guess we can say कि acting ही करिए ना.
मुझे अपने बचपन में सिर्फ ये याद है कि मैं सिर्फ अपने डैडी से पूछती थी कौन किसका बेटा है, कौन किसका दादा है, कौन किसका चाचा. Like I really don't know. So I used to ask him about the Mughal emperors के पहले अकबर आया कि पहले शाहजहां आया कि पहले बाबर आया, कौन आया, और ये कपूर खानदान. Like I could never solve these two mysteries. आज तक भी मुझे बहुत clearly नहीं पता. Like I have to read it.
How about saying a few lines of his movies? कुछ movie का गाने सुना दो.
मैं आपके लिए क्या गा सकती हूँ?
क्या आपको?
Let me sing सच मेरे यार है.
सारे उसके
यही प्यार है.
That's a good one.
क्योंकि हम सब
Beautiful,
दोस्त हैं, तो ये
Sagar
तो
को,
गाना
oh my
चाहिए।
ये तो होना ही चाहिए.
I know.
Veena ji, while she's getting ready, there is a quick glimpse of the family here.
Uh-huh.
This is Rishi Kapoor with Neetu Singh and his
No,
children.
Nandini ji, hold it against your body because it's getting chopped off in the background. Yeah, this is good. Now we
Yeah,
can.
This is
Oh,
better.
that's beautiful.
Hmm.
I
That's
can't see it.
beautiful. No,
I can't see
hold
it.
it down against your body because it's blending with the background.
Yeah,
Yes, really nice. What
हाँ,
book is
I
this?
will-
Can you tell us the name of this book and who's the
This book is Rishi's written by him on himself. You know,
And what is
क्या
it
बोलते हैं
called?
उसको?
Yeah, yeah.
Autobiography,
photos
जी.
are there.
right?
That's true.
And
And he has
Khullam
a-
Khulla,
Yeah, that's
नाम क्या है बुक का?
Khullam Khulla.
Khullam
अच्छा.
Khulla.
And there are
Beautiful.
pictures of the family here.
बहुत खूबसूरत.
Yeah, Neetu Singh is coming back in Indian Idol and all these things. She's trying to come back.
I'm
because
trying to see a picture.
she's still very young. You know, she can still come back in a lot of things. So
Here you
she's
go.
coming in Indian Idol.
I think this is better one.
She came there. So we
And
can't
you know they did Diwali in Times Square. Do you remember that Diwali in Times Square where Ranveer and Rishi and Neetu they all came?
We can't see properly. नजर नहीं आ रहा because आपका picture virtual background है ना. तो ठीक है.
Yeah, this is better. If you hold it against yourself, then it doesn't get blended with the background.
It's not coming out that clear.
There you go.
Cannot see it properly. So anyway, yeah, this is better. But anyway, Nupur गाना जरा सुना दो हमको.
Yes, sure.
You have to.
जिस हाथ में एक हाथ है, उस हाथ की क्या बात है, क्या फासले, क्या मंजिलें, एक हम सफर गर साथ है, तेरी किस्मत कोई यूं संवार दे, वो ही दिलदार है यार मेरे, सच मेरे यार है, बस वही प्यार है, जिसके बदले में कोई तो प्यार दे, बाकी बेकार है यार मेरे, हाँ यार मेरे.
Very nice, very nice.
Very nice.
आपको ये मूवी याद होगी दीवाना, याद है?
हाँ जी.
What about it?
जी जी जी, बहुत इसके गाने चले थे. Oh my God.
I know, and then
एक से एक गाने थे इसके.
he was with Shah Rukh Khan in that movie.
दिव्या भारती.
Vidya Bharti.
Yes.
That girl, such a cute girl, she came and then unfortunately, uski afterwards tragic death bhi ho gayi. You know, she passed, she died very at a very young age. But
Yeah.
उस movie में इसके गाने थे दो तीन, couple of them which I love those
जबरदस्त
songs.
गाने.
I'm sure a lot of people must have seen that movie. तो उसमें एक गाना है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है, तो मैं थोड़ी दो लाइनें उसकी गा देती हूँ. And it was very tragic. I think I remember when that happened, I was really shocked. मैं कहा ये क्या हो गया? You know, with that girl. I mean, she just passed away. It was really, really tragic. अभी देखती हूँ मैं. Okay. And I have to put these things on now because otherwise I can't hear properly. The screen. अच्छा, मैं लगाती हूँ इसको. Hopefully it comes out and there's no advertisement. Sometime that happens. Oh, there it is. I'm sure a lot of people remember this song.
Very nice song.
तेरी उम्मीद मेरा इंतजार करते हैं. तेरी उम्मीद तेरा इंतजार करते हैं. तेरी उम्मीद तेरा इंतजार करते हैं. ऐ सनम हम तो सिर्फ तुमसे प्यार करते हैं. ऐ सनम हम तो सिर्फ तुमसे प्यार करते हैं. जाने मन हम भी तुम पे जान सा सिर्फ तुमसे प्यार करते हैं, है सनम हम तो सिर्फ तुमसे प्यार करते हैं. Beautiful song. I love that song. तो इसके wordings भी
Excellent, वीना जी, excellent.
For
गाना
anybody that loves this song, और मैं अपने listeners को भी बताती चलूं, इस गाने का एक unplugged version बनाया है सोनू कक्कड़ ने, who is Neha
I
Kakkar's
heard
sister.
that too. Yeah, I
And
heard
she
about
has
it.
sung it beautifully on a
Yes.
piano accompaniment. अगर आप YouTube पर जाकर देखना चाहें तो देख सकते हैं. बहुत ही उन्होंने बढ़िया गाया और बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगता है उनकी आवाज में. तो जरूर सुनिएगा वक्त निकाल कर.
नहीं, मैंने थोड़ा सुना था. कल मैंने जब रिसर्च कर रही थी तो I saw some of those clips. तो
Yeah,
अभी नंदिनी
she's
जी,
done a
अभी
beautiful
आपने
job.
कुछ कहा था पहले कि he had love affairs and all that.
Yeah,
One-
he had
Yeah, he
quite a
did.
few
I
affairs.
didn't know. Yeah.
वीना जी, इमेजिन कीजिए अगर हम उन दिनों में इनकी उम्र के होते तो हम भी यही चाहते कि काश
know.
ये हमारे लिए हमारे पास भी आए, right? But
Yes.
he had a fling with Tina Muneem.
They came in a movie together, if I'm not
They
mistaken.
came in a movie together. The
Yes.
movie was कर्ज. I think
Yes.
कर्ज.
That was very
कर्ज.
They did Cars and that other movie with Poonam Dhillon and Tina Muneem. I
Yes,
don't know the name.
ये वादा रहा.
हाँ,
ये वादा रहा.
Pulam
He had,
they make a very good pair. उनके
yeah,
गाने
they
देखना, इतना अच्छा
he
डांस कर रहे हैं दोनों. They look so
yeah,
good.
he had quite a few flings here and there, not to embarrass anybody. But then when he started getting more famous and after he got married, तो वो कहते हैं ना love life जो
Yeah.
पीछे रह गई सारी पीछे, तो शादीशुदा जिंदगी जब इनकी शुरू हुई, so he had a very memorable role with Sri Devi in the movie Chandni.
I think I saw that. Yes, Chandni.
They were together in Nagin and then they came back
Yes.
in
Chandni.
Chandni. Completely different avatar, but absolutely adorable. And I was in high school back then.
Yeah, he
I-
also
That
that
was
movie.
actually the time when I started loving Rishi Kapoor. उससे पहले मुझे like okay
Yeah.
लगता था,
And then he had some, he had a dual role in the movie कर्ज, जहाँ पे, right, with Simi and another,
Tina both.
right. And उस मूवी का एक गाना बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ था, ओम शांति ओम. वो भी आजकल के माहौल पे बहुत फिट
आजकल
होता
के
है.
उसकी रीमेक नहीं हुआ. The movie that came out with Shahrukh. And
Yes. There was a name, title जो था इसका ओम शांति ओम.
Shanti Om movie थी.
हाँ.
Yes.
So he had some nice things under his belt, इतने educated तो नहीं थे because कपूर खानदान में कोई
They came in very young
10वीं
age.
जमात से ज्यादा पढ़ाई नहीं.
Yeah,
But
Really?
except for Shami Kapoor, and maybe Shashi Kapoor, rest of them were all, they had a great general knowledge. इनकी general knowledge बहुत अच्छी थी.
Shashi Kapoor
And
went
they
to
were
Harvard.
all very well groomed. They
Yes.
were all very well groomed,
They really
You
were.
know that जैसे
polished and groomed.
गार्गी कह रही है अमर अकबर एंटनी का गाना बहुत बढ़िया है. पर्दा है पर्दा.
पर्दा है पर्दा.
नीतू
Yeah.
सिंह के साथ कितना कमाल का गाना है. एंड ओवर ये भी कह रही है, गार्गी भी कह रही है, ये वादा रहा. Another one song is my favorite. ये वादा रहा. Yes.
मीना जी ने, जब हम रोमांटिक हीरो की बात करते हैं तो हमें मूवी याद आती है सागर. जब वो अभी नूपुर जी ने याद दिला दिया तो वो एक ब्रेन वेव फ्रेश हो गया बिल्कुल. और उसमें वो डिम्पल के साथ पानी में they are rolling in the water.
I saw that movie when after she left her husband, I think Rajesh Khanna.
हाँ.
Coming back in movies.
अच्छा.
Dimple.
तो मैं उस पिक्चर के आपको इमेजिन कीजिए सब लोग ऋषि कपूर के साथ अब पानी में गोते खा रहे हैं. मैं तो खा ही रही हूँ, देखो मुझे.
I know.
अच्छा, तो सुने, right, here you go. चेहरा है या चांद खिला है, जुल्फ घनेरी शाम है क्या, सागर जैसी आंखों वाली, ये तो बता तेरा नाम है क्या, चेहरा है या चांद खिला है, जुल्फ घनेरी छाँव है क्या। तो वीना जी, ऐसे इनके काफी सारे गाने हैं
I
जो
know.
कि हमें
Lot of movies, Jaane Na Do Na was another song from
या
Sagar, and Sagar Kinare.
सागर किनारे,
Yeah, that's one of his
They had a
very
lot of sizzling chemistry on screen. And then I think
very
later on when
very
they did Patiala House together, I think they played a couple again.
yeah.
एंड डिम्पल कपाड़िया जी
Yes.
ने एक बार इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि मैंने जब जब ऋषि के साथ काम किया तब तब he has won me over. I've fallen in love with him every time I've
Every
come back to
time.
work with him.
They had a nice chemistry.
So he's a
actually.
very it's
I
just
think
he's so charming and he's got this boyish charm and he's just
Yes.
it's very easy to fall in love with Rishi. That's what she said. But the thing that he was very notorious for, which was actually not mentioned too much before this, was that he was a very angry person towards the press. So even
He
though the
was.
press always, yeah, even though the press tried
yes.
to, like keep him in good books and paint him in bright colors because he was from the Kapoor lineage. The fact of the matter is that he was quite aggressive towards the press.
Yes.
Many times there were many instances that happened where unka gussa jo tha un par havi ho gaya and he kind of lost control and said some.
I think he
Yeah,
said he
and
said some
even
couple
so,
of things. Couple
he
of things
was not very happy working with certain producers and directors,
Yeah.
and music
No, but
also. He was very.
yeah, he made some
When it came
comments.
to songs, I think he was the most finicky one out of all the stars, because he would look at the lyrics and then pick the song and then decide कि हाँ ये गाना सूट करेगा या नहीं करेगा. अगर वो गाना हिट हो जाता था तो चांदी ही चांदी. Otherwise he would
Nandini, he made some very controversial comments, like a beef eating Hindu, right? That was that nobody want to hear that. Nobody
No.
wants to hear those things. But he said it, and then government ke bare mein, kabhi, like he was very vocal, and he just said what he had to say. But he didn't really think about what's going to happen, what's the repercussion, what's going to happen after that.
Yeah.
And his relationship, like somebody saying, was not that good with his son. Ranbir ke saath, he was not very close to him for some reason. So
हो सकता है.
in the end, he
because
but they said they had a choppy relationship.
yes, that's what we have heard. That's what we have heard.
So Nupur ji, you want to say sing a few lines and from another song of his?
Let me see. How about तेरे मेरे होठों पे मीठे मीठे गीत मितवा, जिस वजह से मैंने वो चांदनी का ऑडियो कैसेट खरीदा था, just for that
Oh,
song.
wow.
बाकी गाने भी बुरे नहीं थे, but that song really
Yeah.
melted my heart. And उनके वो जो sweaters थे, so I actually studied to be a knitwear designer. So we learned how to
Okay.
design sweaters like the way he.
Since we are talking about sweaters, Nupur, before you start singing, Rishi Kapoor had a passion for sweaters, right? So he had about 500 sweaters in his wardrobe.
Wow.
हर दुनिया के हर कोने से उन्होंने इकट्ठे किए होंगे. Can you imagine, वीना जी, कि 365 दिन में 500 स्वेटर कैसे पहनते होंगे वो, जबकि बॉम्बे में इतनी गर्मी होती है.
But he goes traveling outside, जाता है vacation में जाता
Yeah.
है to go.
And
So
his
वहाँ पर पहनते हैं.
famous thing was, when he used to wear the sweater, he used to hang around his neck. He used to tie it up over here.
Yeah.
वो भी याद
That
होगा
was
लोगों
his biggest fashion statement from
Yes.
the 90s.
Yes.
And it was such a contrast because Sridevi is standing there in a skimpy blouse and a chiffon sari, and this guy is like with the
Doing a
sweater.
sweater. I know. I don't know why they do that. I don't know why they do that, because a lot of the movies दिखाते हैं snow पड़ी हुई है और बिल्कुल शिफॉन की साड़ी में लड़की डांस कर रही है, and the guy is wearing all sweater and whole thing.
Yeah.
The dance.
Yeah.
The guy is booted and suited, and the poor damsel in distress has to wear the skimpiest of fabric.
Yeah.
So so I actually know how to design sweaters like the way Rishi Kapoor used to wear. Those are called jacquard. Yeah, those are called jacquard sweaters.
Black and white
Pattern.
Yeah, black and white. He used to wear
So अभी थोड़ा गा दो, because हमारा time भी हो रहा है.
Yeah. हाँ.
So we have to think about those things too.
तेरे मेरे होठों पर मीठे मीठे गीत मितवा, आगे आगे चले हम पीछे पीछे प्रीत मितवा, तेरे मेरे होठों पर मीठे मीठे गीत मितवा, आगे आगे चले हम पीछे पीछे प्रीत मितवा। और जो लोग घर बैठे उनके लिए मैं कहना चाहूंगी कॉन्याक शराब होती है।
मैं you know,
कॉन्याक शराब होती है।
रिमेंबर दैट डायलॉग इन द
शराब
मूवी,
से याद आया,
शराब नहीं होती, कॉन्याक शराब नहीं होती।
he was very he used to drown himself in alcohol. बहुत पीते थे।
I know that was a really one of the top songs. Gautam ji कह रहे हैं, you have also sung. Yes, I have. तुम शायर, मैं शायर तो नहीं, मैंने गाया हुआ
Yes.
है. I think one of the karaoke groups.
Yeah.
But अभी request आई थी उसकी गार्गी की. I'm not going to sing it, but I'm going to put the song on which I love. Let's see अगर इसकी ad ना आ जाए. मेरे को तो यही डर लगता है ad आ जाती है ना. Let's see. Yes, just it. Yeah, let's put that on.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Okay.
From Tips Official.
I guess.
I know.
सुनी जाओ. It's such a good movie also. The movie was great. I'm going to actually catch it on YouTube and see it again. अब मेरा mind बन गया, मैं देखूंगी दोबारा. But इसके the showed by the three brothers. गार्गे जी, your choice. आपको गार्गे जी इस गाने का कुछ करना पड़ेगा आपके प्रोग्राम में. जब आप कर रहे हो ना अक्टूबर में ये गाना लेकर आओ, कैसे भी किसके कराओ. Must do this thing.
Yes.
Part of the theme is really a wonderful song and lively and fun. तो हमको ऐसे
Yeah.
गाने पसंद है. तो आपका तो थीम है, so this should be, you should do this song too on that day. And मैंने तो गाया नहीं, मैंने कहा ये चीज कोई सुना, इतने गाने इसके कितने अच्छे, कभी कभी मैं I mean, all different type
All
different things, roles.
very, very versatile actor,
Yeah.
I would say. You know, इन्होंने एंग्री मैन का भी किया है रोल,
Yeah.
रोमांटिक भी, फादर भी, ग्रैंडफादर भी, and
Grandfather
then he
भी
did a
और-
negative role also.
But
So
I mean,
he was a very, very versatile, talented actor, I would say.
yeah. गार्गे जी, yes, we can do some कव्वाली with allow. I'm telling you, ये गाना जरूर, ये कव्वाली जरूर करानी है, अभी से practice करिए अपनी, get some guys to do it and put some beautiful girls over there and throw the flower, किसको फेंको जैसे इसने फेंका है मजा आ जाएगा.
या इनका मीना जी जो डांस स्टेप्स होते थे मूवीज में,
Oh.
right, they used to be kind of unique, you know, nobody has been able to match that.
लो मैं आ गया.
And he used to do it at a very high energy pace.
Yes.
And a lot of times he would, fall on his knees and do all kinds of crazy stuff, which was not taught by any dance director. वो उनका natural
Right.
style ही था.
No,
Especially वो जो गाना है,
Yeah.
एक मैं और एक तू,
Yeah,
दोनों मिले इस जगह.
yeah, no.
And you know, teenagers used to copy that. वो ऐसे ऐसे जा रहे हैं, फिर ऐसे ऐसे जा रहे हैं. You know, they used to copy that. I mean to say, very, very memorable roles he has done. I would say.
All I can say is that this is we are remembering him because उनकी अभी death anniversary भी आने वाली है 30th को. So it's a good. We just went to like a journey, like to think about him and honor him, honor his remembrance. Can do some dhumka and kawali steps. It'll be very easy. No worries. Allow them to be very. I will try my best. Sure. गार्गे जी बात करेंगे इस बारे में. I think it's a good idea to do this kawali on that day. We can do that. We can practice that and do something about it. But मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ, we just wanted to go through his journey and remember him. What a great
Yes.
personality he was. What a great actor. What a great everything. And sad to say that all his uncles and father and everybody passed away also, you know.
But जैसे शशि कपूर, ऋषि कपूर, इनकी grandmother और इनके दो बहन भाई, they all died within a short period of 3
I know.
years. पिछले 3 साल में ये खानदान आधे से भी कम हो गया.
I know. So I would like to say thanks everyone for joining us today and going through this journey, remembering Rishi Kapoor. And अभी next week कोई और किसको लेकर आएंगे. And we'll continue with this Bollywood theme for a couple of more weeks. And Nupur ji, ऊपर देखो.
Smile ji, smile ji,
मैं
smile.
आपको देख रही हूँ, मैं आपकी बातें सुन रही हूँ, because I was like not around at that time. जो
I know, मैं वही कह रही हूँ. आप अभी देखो ना, उस टाइम की मूवीज हमको पसंद है, आपको पसंद है बाद वाली, तो थोड़ा बहुत.
I mean, तो अच्छी बात है ना, हर तरह का पर्सपेक्टिव मिल जाता है.
Because we were thinking about Rajesh Khanna, Amitabh Bachchan, और हमारे टाइम के like our heroes, like like oh my.
Right.
No, but actually मुझे कपूर खानदान में शम्मी कपूर के अलावा कोई कभी पसंद आया नहीं.
Shami Kapoor is my favorite. मैंने उसकी बात करी.
He's been my evergreen favorite
Me
even
too.
before.
And
A lot of people. I would love.
From all the Kapoors, the only person I liked was Shami, and then when Ranveer came, I kind of sort of liked him a little bit. But Shami Kapoor is irreplaceable for me.
Shami
Like
Kapoor
in my
is
heart,
हम उसके गाने किस दिन गाएंगे सब. Just Shami
that
Kapoor.
Kapoor like rules my heart.
So we're gonna sing songs of Shami Kapoor only.
Just a little.
Remembrance. Shami Kapoor.
Just for my knowledge, I'm sure लोग भी देखें, सुनने वाले भी सोचें कि रणबीर कपूर, राइट, अगर आप उनकी एक्टिंग देखें तो उसकी एक्टिंग में उसके जो हैं अंकल्स की झलक ज्यादा है. जैसे शमी कपूर की, शशि कपूर की एक्टिंग की झलक ज्यादा है. बाप की झलक नहीं है उसकी एक्टिंग
I
में.
see a lot of Neetu Kapoor का भी.
He looks exactly like his mother.
Right.
He looks exactly like Neetu. शक्ल
He looks like his mother, but
Yeah.
बाप से उसकी ना शक्ल मिलती है, ना ही उसकी एक्टिंग बाप से मिलती है.
आवाज मिलती है.
आवाज मिलती है.
Shami Kapoor.
And
More like Shami Kapoor.
he is a
actually.
good actor too.
Yeah,
And not
yeah.
that he is not a good actor. He has done fabulous roles.
We'll,
He cannot imitate his father.
I know, but we'll do one day his program. But right now, really, we have to go. And
Yes.
thank you so much, everyone, for joining us. And do join us again tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. And tomorrow's
Shukrana.
Friday, so we'll have a Shukrana. तो जरूर ज्वाइन करना। और नेक्स्ट वीक एक बढ़िया सी थीम लेके आ रहे हैं हम नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए। नेक्स्ट थर्सडे विल बी बैक आल्सो, ऑफ कोर्स बैक ऑन मंडे टू। So thank you very much for joining and have a wonderful day, rest of Thursday.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you,
Thank
Veena
you
ji.
viewers
Thank you,
and
Nandini
listeners.
ji.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure to be here with Veena ji.
Thank you, Nandini ji. Thank you.
Bollywood Gupshup.
सुनते रहिए और आते रहिए वापस डीडी जी में। आपका अपना शो है, शेयर कीजिए इसको अपने पेज पर, फेसबुक पर, अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ भी शेयर कीजिए, so that more and more people can join the tribe. That would really mean a lot to us. So Veena ji, with that being said, let's sign off.
You said
Let's sign off.
में बिल्कुल ठीक बोला।
खुल्लम खुल्ला प्यार करेंगे हम दोनों।
कर डालो बस। Bye.
Beautiful book. I'm going to borrow it one time. And
Thank you.
चलो ठीक है। Bye everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye.
नमस्कार। Bye.
नमस्कार जी।
नमस्कार। Okay.